On the 14th of April we sailed for the strand in the bold Princess Royal bound for Newfoundland. We 40 brave sailor boys for our ship's company. To the eastward, to the westward, right boldly sailed we. We'd only been sailing for days 2 or 3 when the man at the masthead a sail he did see. She came down the bows, richt on was she bore, and under her mizzenpeak dark colours she wore. Good Lord, cried our captain, what shall we do? Here comes a bold pirate, and he'll make us heave too. No, no, cried our chief mate, that shall not be so, for we'll shake out our reefs, boys, and from him we'll go. Now when that bold pirate hove up alongside, we a loud speck and trumpet, whence come you, he cried. But chief mate ran aft and did answer him so, we come from the free land, bound for New Callio. Then let go your lee braces and bring your ship to, for I have got letters to sign there with you. We will let go our braces and bring our ship to, inside of some safe harbour, not alongside of you. Then we shook out our reefs, boys, and our foresails also. We shook out our topgallant sails and fae him did go. He fired one shot after us in the hopes to prevail, but the bold Princess Royal soon shot him her tail. He chased it was and he chased it was throughout that land day. He chased it was and he chased it was, but couldn't make no way. He chased it was and he chased it was till night made him stay. Then he brailed up his mizzen and straight bore away. Thank God, cried our captain, the pirate has gone. Go down to your grog, boys, go down every one. Go down to your grog, boys, and be of good cheer, for while we have sea room, brave boys never fear.